Okay, today we're going to do P5 fractions, and the heuristic here is simultaneous equation. Right, so that means we'll be doing some form of substitution. Let's do the first question. Aisha spent 5/8 of her money on 15 cookies and 44 brownies. She could buy 45 more cookies with the rest of her money. If she decides to buy brownies instead of cookies with the rest of her money, how many more brownies can she buy? Okay, now let's look at 5/8 of her money. So 5/8 can get her 15 cookies and 44 brownies. Right? Now she could buy 45 more cookies with the rest of her money. So the rest of her money is actually 3/5, right? Because I know that not 3/5. It's actually 3/8. Okay, because I know that 1 whole minus 5/8 will give us 3/8. So that means the rest of the money is 3/8. And 3/8 will get her 45 more cookies. Right? Since 3/8 can get her 45 more cookies, right? How many cookies can she get with 1/8 of her money? It's actually 45 cookies. You divide it by 3, right? And that will give you 15 cookies. Okay, you get 15 cookies. Right, the C stands for the number of cookies. Now, since 1/5 is actually 15 cookies, if she decides to buy brownies instead of cookies with the rest of her money, how many more brownies can she buy? So now I know that 15 cookies cost 1/8 of her money. 5/8 of the money, and she get 15 cookies and 44 brownies. So what do I have here? You can see 15 cookies, 15 cookies. And we know that 15 cookies is actually 1/8. So we can conclude that 4/8 of her money will actually give her 44 brownies, right? Okay. Why? How can I make this conclusion? Because 15 cookies plus 44 brownies give you 5/8. 4/8 plus 1/8 give you 5/8. Okay. So now that means 1/8 will actually give you 44 brownies divided by 4. This will give me 11 brownies. 1/8 will give me 11 brownies. So what is the question asking for? The question is asking for if she decides to buy brownies instead of cookies with the rest of her money. That means the rest of the money is 3/8, right? How many more brownies can she buy? You know that 1/8 gives her 11 brownies. So this is 11 brownies. You need to multiply by 3. You get 33 brownies. So that means the remaining money will get her 33 more brownies. So I write 33 here without the B. Okay, right? Because I use B to represent brownies. Let's look at the next question. Okay. Next. Tammy spent 5/7 of her money on 8 cupcakes and 36 muffins. So 5/7 get her 8 cupcakes. It's C for the cupcakes. And 36 muffins, so 36 M for muffins. She could buy 18 more muffins with the remaining money. What is the remaining money? It must be 2/8 7, right? Because 1 whole minus 5 over 7 gives you 2 over 7. So 2 over 7 will get her 18 muffins. Now, if she decides to get cupcakes instead of muffins with the remaining money, how many more cupcakes can she buy? So, we know that 2 over 7 is actually 18 muffins. Now, 36 muffins is what fraction of her money we can find? Okay, if we have 36 muffins, it's actually 4 over 7 of her money, right? So let's compare this and this. 5 over 7 of her money give her 8 cupcakes and 36 muffins. 4 over 7 of her money get her 36 muffins. So I can see that the difference, which is 1 over 7, will get her 8 cupcakes, right? So the question is, if she decides to get cupcakes instead of muffins with the remaining money, which we know is 2 over 7, how many cupcakes can she buy? So all I need to use is this for 1 over 7, multiply by 2 to get 2 over 7, right? Okay, so I get 16 cupcakes altogether. So she can get 16 more cupcakes. Next, in an elephant enclosure, Tom spent 7 over 9 of his money on 12 apples, 15 coconuts, and 24 stalks of sugarcane to feed the elephants. So this is 7 over 9 of Tom's money. He spent it on 12 apples, 15 coconuts, and 24 sugarcane, right, to feed the elephants. He could spend all the remaining money. Remaining money in this case we know is 2 over 9. How do we know it's 2 over 9? Because 1 whole minus 7 over 9 gives us 2 over 9. He could spend all the remaining money on 6 apples and 12 stalks of sugarcane, but change his mind to spend it on coconuts only. How many coconuts did Tom buy with the remaining money? So you know that 2 over 9 can get him 6 apples, 24 sugarcane. So you will see this relationship, 6 apples, 12 apples, 24 sugarcane. Sorry, 12 sugarcane, 24 sugarcane. So it's twice. Okay, right. So I can conclude that 4 over 9 of his money, will give him 12 apples and 24 sugarcane. Because you can see that I multiply by 2. Correct? Multiply 2, multiply 2. Okay, now to buy 12 apples and 24 sugarcane, we need 4 over 9 of his money, which is 12 apples, 24 sugarcane. In other words, okay, the difference between this 7 over 9 and 4 over 9, right? Difference being 3 over 9 or 1/3 will get us the 15 coconuts, right? So you can see 3 over 9 plus 4 over 9 give you 7 over 9. 15 coconuts plus 12 apples plus 24 sugarcane give you 12 apples, 15 coconuts, 24 sugarcanes. Okay, so now that means 1 over 9 will get him 15 coconuts divided by 3, 5 coconuts. That means 1/9 of the money can get him 5 coconuts, right? Okay, so now how many coconuts did Tom buy with the remaining money? So for the remaining money we know is 2 over 9 we know that Tom can buy 5 coconuts times 2 can get him 10 coconuts, right? With the remaining money. Okay, if Tom had $54, how much did each coconut cost? Okay, so that means Tom had altogether $54. That means all his money being 9 over 9 is actually $54, right? So 9 over 9 is actually 50. So 1 over 9 of his money is actually 54 divided by $9. Okay, which gives us $6. So 1/9 of his money is $6. And 1/9 we know can get him 5 coconuts. 1/9 get him 5 coconuts, and 1/9 is $6. That means 5 coconuts cost $6, right? How much did each coconut cost? $6. We divide by 5 coconuts. And we know that each coconut costs $1.20. Okay, so remember to write down the answer for part A and B. Okay, part A, how many coconuts did Tom buy with his remaining money? Label your answer. Part A is 10 coconuts. We do not need to write the C here, we just need to write the 10. Okay, and then part B, okay, part B, we know that each coconut costs $1.20. Okay, so this for this question. Let's look at the next question. Okay, this is our last question. So now Amy spent 7 over 10 of her money on 35 apples, 4 mangoes, and 18 kiwis. So 7/10 of her money is spent on 35 apples, 4 mangoes, and 18 kiwis. To make a fruit salad, the cost of 1 mango is the same as the cost of 3 kiwis. Okay, so 1 mango costs as much as 3 kiwis. She could buy 21 apples with the rest of her money. So what fraction is the rest of her money? The rest of her money, okay, is actually 3 over 10. How do I know it's 3 over 10? It's because she spent 7 over 10, right? So 1 whole minus 7 over 10 will be 3 over 10. So 3 over 10, she could buy 21 apples. Okay, she could buy 21 apples with the rest of her money, but decided to buy only kiwis. How many kiwis did she buy? Okay, so you know that 3 over 10 is 21 apples, so 1/10 of her money will get her 7 apples, right? Okay, to buy 35 apples, what fraction of her money does she need? So you know that to buy 35 apples is actually 5 times of 7 apples, right? So 7 apples multiplied 5 give you 35 apples. So since I multiply by 5, it means 1/10 I need to multiply by 5 to get 5 over 10. So she'll use 5/10 of her money to buy 35 apples. Okay, so you can see that 7/10 can get you 35 apples, 4 mangoes, 18 kiwis. 5/10 give you 35 apples. So when I subtract this and this, Let's subtract 5 over 10 from 7 over 10. I can get actually 2 over 10, right? This actually gets me 4 mangoes and 18 kiwis. Alright? Now, at the start, we also know that 1 mango costs the same as 3 kiwis. That means if I've got 4 mangoes, I know that I can get 12 kiwis. So this 2 over 10 can also give me 12 kiwis plus 18 kiwis, right? Since 4 mangoes equals to 12 kiwis, I can actually replace the 4 mangoes with 12 kiwis. Altogether, this will give me 30 kiwis. Now, 2 over 10 give me 30 kiwis. 1 over 10 will give me 15 kiwis because I divide by 2. What is the question asking for? The question is asking for she could buy 21 apples with the rest of her money, but decided to buy only kiwis. How many more kiwis did she buy? So using the rest of money, she decided to buy only kiwis, and the rest of money is 3 over 10. So since 1 over 10 can give you 15 kiwis, okay, 15 kiwis. Now you have 3 over 10, that means you multiply 3, you get 45 kiwis with the rest of her money. So remember to write your answer at the answer blank. 45 kiwis. No need to write the K because we just need to know the number of kiwis.